potential to go for a little bit more.
Carl!
Gains those 5 yards back.
We saw it earlier.
Oh, here comes Wolfie. Oh, hello, Wolfie.
Needs to make that one tackler miss. And if he does, he's off to the races. That's where he needs to improve right there.
Wolfie, what are you doing?
Make a really big play.
What are you doing, shitty face?
Wolfie? Oh, I'm recording, thanks.
You're putting your butt in this camera?
You dogs need to be groomed.
Come on, Karl.
Especially you, Karl.
Come on! Karl. Karl.
Hi, Karl. Hi, Karl. Come here. Karl, come here. Come here.
Karl, I don't have anything for you.
Karl. Karl, come here.
Spanking.
Come here. Karl. Hi, sweetie. Hi, buddy. Hi. Oh, hello. Hello. Hi, sweetie. You're a good boy.
Come on, you're almost 2 months in.
Okay. Say bye. Say bye.